Tell me in the comments, what's the first thing people see before deciding to click on your videos? I'll wait for your answer in 3 seconds.
3, 2, 1.
If you said thumbnails, you are very correct. Your thumbnails is the first thing people see before deciding to click on your videos, which means that if your thumbnail is very bad, nobody will click on your videos. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to create stunning, beautiful, captivating, eye-catching thumbnails with your phone. I'll also be teaching you how to use two different apps to create your thumbnails, InShot and Canva. I'll see you after the tutorial. So we'll first be using the InShot app to remove the background on our picture and on the icon that we're going to be using. So to do that, we'll click on photo here, then we'll add the picture that we want on our thumbnail. Okay, this is what I want on my thumbnail. So to remove it, you come to cut out, then cut out here, and you allow it to. Okay, so when you are done, you export it. And you do the same for all the icons you want on your thumbnail. So I'll just do that very quickly. All right, so now we have removed the background on our picture and all the icons we need on the thumbnail. The next thing we want to do is to come to video here, click on new, and then you click on the background you want to use for your thumbnails. So this is the background we're using. The first thing, you want to remove this watermark that is here. So you click on the X there, click on free remove, and you allow it to load. Sometimes it will play ads, sometimes it will not play ads. Let's see if it's going to play ads this time around. Okay, no ads. Then the next thing you want to do is to change the aspect ratio. Since this is a YouTube thumbnail, the aspect ratio for YouTube thumbnail is 16:9. So you come to canvas here, you can see 16:9. Then you click on this to fill up the background, and you click on the check mark here. Okay, the next thing you want to do, you might want to blur the background a bit if you want, or you want to leave it like this, whichever one that suits your preference. But if you want to blur the background, all you have to do is to come to effect here, you can see this blur here. You click on it, and you can choose any of the blur ones you want. Let's use this first one, blur. Then you can increase or decrease the intensity of the blurriness. Okay, let's just leave it like this. Then the check mark, okay, then the check mark. Our background is blurred now. Now it's time to bring back the pictures and the icons that will remove the background. To do that, you come to PIP here, picture in picture, and you click on the picture you want on your thumbnail. You can see it's already there without the original background. So you see these two arrows here, you use it to drag it out to how you want it to be. You want it to be very big, okay, or you want it to be by this side, whichever one. Just play around with it till you like what you see. Okay, I think I'm okay with this. Okay, next is to sharpen this picture, because anytime you remove the background from a picture, it kind of reduces the sharpness. So to do that, while your cursor is still on the picture, you come to filter, you come to adjust, and you search for sharpen here, and you sharpen it. You see how bright it is? 100 is too much. Let's leave it at 50. Okay, yeah, this is good. Then you click on the check mark and you're done. Click on this check mark here, you're done. The next thing you want to do is to put in your text. To add text, we'll come to text here, and let's just put thumbnail tutorial. So we'll put it separately, thumbnail in block letters, thumbnail. Then you can change the font if you want to. If you want to change the font, you come to this A here. See, you have different fonts to use, whichever one you like. I like this one. It's good and it's perfect. Thumbnail. Okay, then when you're done with it, if you want it to be slant, you come to this place. You want it to be bold, slant, underline, anything. See, slant. Okay, let's leave it in this. No, let's leave it in original one. Okay, so we're done with this, and we'll click on the check mark. Yes. Okay, the next text is tutorial. So you click on text again, and you add tutorial in block letters, tutorial. Okay, click on the check mark, and so now you can see that both the tutorial and the thumbnail are having white background. So I don't like it like that. We are going to change this to black background and the text to be white. To do that, you click on this pencil icon here, then you click on this color here. You see you have text, border, shadow, glow, label, opacity. To change the text color, you just click on text and change the text color to white. Then you go to label and click on the background color to black. As you can see, it's done. Then you click on the check mark here, and then you can adjust it so that, okay, I think the thumbnail should be so bold, so it's giving yeah. So just adjust it according to your preference, and you are done. Then you click on the check mark here. See how beautiful this is, straight to the point, thumbnail tutorial. Now when we are done with that, we add the icons that we removed the background. To do that, we come to PIP again, PIP here, and then InShot. Okay, let's just reduce it and drag it here. Okay, that's fine. Then we'll bring the next one, which is Canva, and drag it here. Okay. Can tilt it a bit just to make it shapeful. Okay, is it good like this? No, let's drag this down a bit. Okay, and remember, anyone you want to work on, you can actually click on it. If you want to work on the Canva, you click on it. If you want to work on the InShot here, you click on it. If you want to work on your picture, you click on this. It is okay like this, right? Now you click on this check mark here. Once you are done, you take a screenshot like this, right? And you go to your gallery and then you crop it. Try to crop it very well so that everything will be inside. Okay, all right, this is fine. Then save. Isn't this beautiful? Isn't this giving? Now let's head over to Canva. So when you open the Canva app, you come to YouTube thumbnail here, then you click on the white box here, and then you click on replace and change it to the background that you downloaded. Okay, this is our background. You can also blur the background here if you want. All you have to do is come to effects and you come to blur. You can click on O image and you can either increase or decrease the intensity of the blurriness. Just do whatever works for you. Okay, let it not be too blur. Okay, this is fine. Then you go back. Now bring back our picture, the one we removed the background from InShot. To do that, you come to gallery here, then the picture. So once the picture is there, you want to drag it out a bit just so that it will make sense. Okay, let's just drop it at the center this time around. Okay, it's fine like this. Then we want to put in our text. Remember I told you that when you remove the background from your picture, it decreases the quality of the picture. So to enhance the quality back, you click on the picture and you go to adjust and you search for sharpness, sorry. So you increase it, you see, or you decrease it as you want. So let's just leave it at 50. 50 is fine. You see how beautiful it's looking. So you go back and then it's time to add our text. To do that, you click on text here and you add a heading, and let's just type in thumbnail in block letters, thumbnail. Okay, we're done with that. Now we're going to change the color and make it bold. All you have to do is to click on the thumbnail and you go to font. Let's change the font to something better. Okay, I like to use Anton on Canva. It's actually very bold. So Anton. Okay, then we'll change the color. I don't like that color. Let's change it to white. Okay, so now we can now drag it out to make it very big and bold. Okay, don't worry, it's covering my face now. I know we're going to put it at the back of this picture now. You see how we'll do that. Okay, let's finish with the text. Then we can add a little effect on the text. Let's go to effect and let's put in outline. Okay, outline, you click on this dot on that outline and then you change the color to black. Okay, so it's well popped now. So to put this text behind the picture so that it won't cover our face, you come to layers, then you drag this thumbnail underneath the picture. As you can see, our thumbnail is behind the picture. Okay, so then we can go back to drag our picture so that it doesn't cover the name thumbnail very well. Just adjust it a bit so that it doesn't cover it. Voila, isn't that beautiful? Yeah, it is. Now it's time to add the icons that we removed the background earlier. So we come to gallery here, then we come to InShot. Okay, now you let's just position it at the side and we'll tilt it to one side. To tilt it, you see this kind of circle, arrow circle here. You tilt it like this and you adjust it. It's too big, you adjust it till you like what you see. Okay, I think I'm good like this. Then you bring in the other one, which is Canva. Okay, Canva, same thing, we tilt it to the other side and we drag it, tilt it a bit and reduce it to be small, almost the same size with the InShot. Okay, this is beautiful. Isn't it beautiful? Let me increase the brightness so you can see. Isn't it beautiful? Huh? Isn't this giving? Isn't this giving? So once you are done, you just click on this arrow here to export your picture or your thumbnail and it will save to your phone. Thank you. So as you can see, easy, quick, beginner-friendly way to create your thumbnails. So I don't want to see ugly thumbnails on your videos anymore. Okay? Please give this video a like if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to share it to others that will benefit from it. Also hit the subscription button so that you can help me grow on the streets of YouTube, and turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to know when I post a new video. Until I see you in my next video, take good care of yourself. Bye.